Euro Yen. And looking at the Euro Yen, we are now at 106.58. This is quite an interesting chart for the Euro Yen. Now you can see from the middle of July of this year, the euro has been moving higher against the yen. And this point number one that you have here, that is your structure point. That is your trend change to the upside. That is your sign that the bull market, if you will, in the euro yen is still intact. And you're getting pullbacks, which is normal pullbacks with regards to any currency that in any movement. So having these two daily declines that we had, and the low of Friday was the 106.11. Our Thursday low is 106.60. We closed 3 pips below the previous daily low, and this here is 106.43. Not bad. So we're looking for this to continue to push higher, and right now, having closed at 106.58, our buy is going to be quite easy. We're just going to take it. If you look at your intraday chart, I really enjoy it when something that we identify on your daily chart, and then when you go down and to an intraday chart, which is you begin to identify that the same structure points are setting up. So if I'm looking at this movement to the downside, right here, the 103, 106.92 and the 106.84, they pretty much would be the structural failure to the upside. So, and we closed the week at 106.58. The previous daily low is 106.60, so we're pretty much there. So just to be on the safe side, we are going to buy it above the 106.92. That will be the intraday structure. We're going to place our stop below that daily low. That's going to be our stop below the 106.58 or below the 106.60, and I'm looking for my structural long point to the upside, which remains the same from last week. On the short side, I'm going to take it short below the daily low, which is below what this day is, which is the 106.10. So we're going to go short below the 106.10. So for the Euro Yen, we're going to buy it above 106.92, and if we do buy it, our stop is going to be 106.58, and my structural long point remains the same, 111.42. On the short side, I'm going to go short below the low of the day, which is 106.10. And if I do, I have a structural short point, which is the 104.61. It hasn't changed. It remains. I mean, I can put the 8 here for you. Okay, and my stop, if I go short below 106.10, my stop is immediately at 106.30. I'm not going to let it go back much higher than that, because I have the reason I'm keeping a tight stop in this case. Why? Because the trend is to the upside, If the trend is up and I go short, my stop on the short is going to be very tight because I know that the original direction of the trend is up. So if I'm taking a counter trend move, my stop is going to be very tight. Okay, so for the Euro Yen, I'm buying it above 106.92. If I do, my structural long point is 111.42, and my stop is going to be the 106.58. I'm risking about 40 pips on that trade. On the short side, I'm going to go short below 106.10. If I do, I have a structural short point at 104.61, and my stop is going to be a tight 20 pips because it's a counter trend trade. Okay, that is the Euro Yen. So let me save that.